Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wake up a bit late and after my morning gratitude and my exercise, it's already 11. I'm so hungry. I found very little, maybe 1 tablespoon leftover rice. So I took 2 eggs, some chopped onion, the leftover rice, green chili. I mix everything. I found some boiled potatoes in my fridge. Anyways, I always keep some boiled potatoes in the fridge, for emergency. And for me, cooking is fun. So it should be exciting, it should be fun, it should be quick. So today I made this and I really loved it. Just try it and let me know how is it. Check this out. Pour everything like an omelette using minimum oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and amazing yummy recipes. And here we go, it's ready. I sprinkle some Parmesan cheese powder. You can add different cheese also or not. Let's try it. It's so satisfying.